Hi guys, Luke Mangan here, and I'm back in my test kitchen, which I really love. And I'm doing another Mangan family favourite, my zucchini slice with onions, garlic and herbs. All our amazing cultures mean we have some of the world's most interesting recipes, as well as some of the best produce right here, right in Australia. You'll find this recipe online. Search Coles & Co. It's inspiration without the perspiration, with loads of ideas from me and your favourite Aussie chefs. Let's get started. In a medium to hot pan, we're gonna get some olive oil and sweat the onion, the garlic and the bacon off. All right, so that's been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, just sweat it down nicely, no colour. And now, take it off the heat and I add about a tablespoon of these fennel seeds and we just set that mixture aside. Next step is we get our zucchini and we're gonna grate that into a bowl. All the zucchini nicely grated. Next step, to make the batter. So we've got a cup of self-raising flour and we're gonna add about 5 eggs, one at a time. Just give that a whisk. And you don't wanna work it too much. We're just gonna mix that over the zucchini. Zucchini's grated, batter's made. I'm just gonna add some parmesan to that zucchini, good pinch of salt, and good couple of rounds of black pepper. And give it a good mix through. Now I'm just adding the onion, the garlic, and the bacon. Good mix, and then we're gonna place that in our baking dish and cover it with our batter. Straight into an oven, 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. So whilst that's in the oven, we're gonna make this beautiful tomato, mushroom, and basil salsa. And now we just chop these tomatoes pretty roughly. So we get the little button mushrooms, slice them up, a bit of salt, good pinch of salt, and some olive oil. And then we're gonna chop some basil leaves very roughly and give it a good mix. Smells absolutely delicious, looks absolutely delicious. Now let's plate it up. Zucchini slice just sitting on top. And there you have my amazing zucchini slice, tomato, mushroom and basil. This simple, great value meal will feed a family for $5 a serve. For this recipe and loads more, just head to coles.com.au. How amazing is that?